Hello everyone, this is Simone Perkins, and today I'm going to show you how to use the iSchool Internship Database to explore currently available internship opportunities. Let's get started. You can access the database from the iSchool homepage. First, go to ischool.sjsu.edu. Next, click the menu button on the top right corner and select the Student Resources. Then select Internships. On this page, you can start browsing for internship opportunities by selecting Internship Sites Database. On this page, you can search for internships using the menu fields to customize the type of internship you are seeking. For example, you can search for internship in a specific organization, location, semester, and so on. Let's conduct two searches. First, let's search for virtual internship for spring 2022 semester. First, you select virtual, then you select semester, spring 2022, from the drop-down menu, and then you click search. For this specific search, we retrieve 9 listings. Let's save one of these listings, the Jewish Community Library. Now, let's conduct the second search with a different criteria. You can click on New Search or Refine Search. Let's go click a New Search. In this new search, let's do on-site. Let's select California as the location, and let's select summer, and then click search. For this specific search, we retrieved 10 listings. Again, you can save the listings if you want. What we do is you're gonna create a list. In this case, I have 4 internships in my list. You can view, you can edit, you can print, you can email, or even you can delete the list if you wish. As you can see, there are many options for you to choose from to find the perfect internship. Note that on the search page, you can also check for recently posted internships. So in this case, you click on next search, and then you see here recently posted internships. You can see, click to see the full list, or you can see a list of the most recent added internships. Please remember to start searching for internships at least a semester beforehand. For more information on how to register for internship, please check the handbook located under Student Resources. Then click on the Info 294, the Student Handbook, to obtain more information on the requirements for enrolling in Info 294, which is the special studies course where you will earn credit for your internship. Thank you for watching.